If you're thinking about Welsh medium education for your child, you're bound to have lots of questions, and you're not alone.
It was quite a big decision for my husband moving to Wales anyway. He thought maybe everybody spoke Welsh and he would be able to get on. Obviously, when he got here, he realised how friendly and welcoming it was. We did think long and hard about it, and we did quite a lot of research, but we were reassured by other parents who had gone through the system and also by the headmaster at the time, especially about homework and that sort of thing. That made the decision a lot easier. We were very comfortable with the decision we made. Obviously, there's been times, especially when they overtook me, even in primary school, they're very competent and they're actually able to help me in my work now. They often spell check my work or give me some tips, which is really nice. I feel it's really important for the children to have bilingualism because it really is going to help their career prospects. I really believe that working in Wales, it's brilliant to have two languages, and to not have Welsh is a disadvantage for loads of recruitment now. It's been an amazing learning experience. I've really enjoyed it. I've tried to learn along with them, even though I knew a little bit before, but they far succeeded me by the time they were about 6 or 7. So it's lovely to see and get them really involved in the language.
If you're considering giving your child the gift of Welsh language education, search online for Destination Bilingual.